Okay, today will be this will be a new day for learning new things. Okay, today will be okay. Today we are concentrating on still strategy and being consistent with trading. Okay, so one thing you have to understand about trading is once you make it as your, let's say, as your full-time business, or let's say your full-time skill, there's a lot to it, right? There is a lot to learn. I think in these few days I've been able to like get in touch with one or two persons. That's why most of the times you can't do this thing alone. You have to have people, you have to get mentor, you have to keep learning, like you keep learning daily, and that's it. Nothing comes easy, like they said. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I've learned new thing and I would like to share. Okay. So today we'll be analyzing BTC. Let's say okay, let's say BTC, all these big caps and all of them. So we have something like this. This was just a mistake. Okay. We have something like this. Okay. Um, okay. Where is our weekly candle? Okay, this is our BTC weekly candle here. This is our BTC weekly candle, and this is our weekly BTC weekly candle. So looking at BTC, okay, looking at BTC very well closely, you will think like using um it's the reason why I will always recommend you to use weekly candle, because you see the market how it looks like. Okay, so you see the market how it is, and how to analyze it. Okay, so looking at BTC, what BTC closed, or what is about closing, you see that BTC is at uptrend. So what I mean by uptrend is you will see that BTC is actually like pumping, like it's going up, right? So the BTC should close with what we call it, we call it engulfing candle. Okay, with this structure it's called engulfing candle. This is telling us that BTC will pump massively next week. So the candle should close around 11:59 p.m. this night. So hopefully when it closes, then you will know what I'm trying to like say, and watch out for BTC to see if it will keep pumping till next week or not. So, but basically, the candle is showing this engulfing candle is telling us that BTC is going to pump next week. You can see the price of BTC being pumped. Okay, this is the two candle I analyzed. Just these two. Yeah. So this is the two candle that's okay. This is the two candles I'm talking about, right? So these two candle, the name is bullish engulfing candle. So this is telling us that BTC is pumping next week. Okay. Most people won't even like try to explain to this extent. But then you have to know your market bias. So what I mean by market bias is you have to know the trending. Okay, maybe BTC is going down or is going up. So you have to know the market bias. So the market bias now is bullish, like market is pumping. BTC is at 64,000 and be $65,000 now. But hopefully before the week end, it should go to 66,000. So that's what we're trying to like explain here, right? So BTC is pumping, and we've seen our market buyers to be bullish. So it's literally bullish now, right now. So now we'll now use our lower time frame, which is 4 hour, to mark out our points of interest. Okay, a point of interest is where you feel like you want to trade, or you want to enter the market, and maybe you want to buy, maybe you want to sell. That's for you. Okay, so use the lower time frame. So now we've determined that BTC is going up, even though everybody is like having it in maybe in their charts everywhere that BTC is dropping, but literally it's pumping. It's gonna pump next week. Okay, using our lower time frame. Okay, okay, using our lower time frame. This is 4 hour. Let me remove this. This is our 4 hour candle, or this is our lower time frame, right? So now you can see that BTC has pumped, that it has really gone up. Okay, so to this very area, and we have something like this. Okay, let me mark it out. We have something like this here. It's straight. Okay, this meeting is not gonna take so long. I will end it quickly because I have some other things to do. So we have something like this here, and okay, so having something like this, the next thing is, okay, you know that BTC is pumping. You know, this is another market structure inside the 4 hour time frame. So this is literally a new time frame with a new direction. Okay, so now we'll be looking on how to like buy in, because you know that, oh, BTC is literally like moving, but then you couldn't secure your spots, and it's just moving up, down, and all of that. So now we've missed our entries. What the hell? No, this thing has stopped recording. I don't know why it does stop. It doesn't even stop. So having this here, I don't know, the network is literally bad. Hopefully, um okay, so the network was actually like bad, but then I noticed that it's still working, right? So we literally missed BTC at this point, even when we know that it's gonna pump or it's gonna go up. Missed it at this point, at this point, um, at this point, at this point, um, okay. Okay, we missed BTC at those points, right? So now we and we've known that BTC is on an uptrend. Okay, so we missed at this area, something here. We missed at this area. Okay, we missed at this area. We couldn't buy here. Even at this area, for real, we couldn't buy at this area, and continue to this area now, to this area. So we couldn't buy at these zones, maybe because of we were not sure of what we're trading or something. So we couldn't buy at those areas, at those key levels. So what do you do now? So what I literally do is I wait for market change. Okay. So the market change is, you just go to your 15 minutes time frame and look for your entry there. Okay, you go to your 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame. So the 15 minutes time frame is showing me buy. Okay, let me show you how I got the buy signal. Okay, so this is it here. Okay, so you can see a market shift around here. It couldn't even break below it. It couldn't break below it. Okay, so and even at this area, yeah, at this area. Okay, so around this area, I'm putting my long my long setup here. Okay, just below this low, and that's it. So this is my long setup on BTC. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to like do here. So apparently BTC is gonna pump. Yeah, we still have a long way to go on BTC. So BTC is coming to this zone, is coming to this area, is literally coming here. So yeah, this is a nice setup. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So if BTC had broken down this area, BTC has broken down this area, this key area, then I have to, so I would have to wait for it here. I would have to wait for it here, then set my long. But then BTC didn't break that. So automatically um, this move alone shows that we are in uptrend. Shows that BTC broke a structure around this area. I don't know if you understand, if you understand what I'm trying to like explain, that what I'm trying to explain. So maybe tomorrow we'll come check um what we've got on this trade. So this is BTC, um this is BTC analysis. Okay, this is literally BTC analysis on Bitcoin, and I hope you've learned one or two things here. Okay, I'll be ending the meeting for today. I'll be ending the meeting for today. But before then, let me show you guys a new tool that I recently learned. Okay, so this is, let me remove this. Oh, sorry, let me add it back. Okay, using our 4 hour time frame here and looking at the movement of BTC. Okay, so if you had missed BTC at these key levels, if you had missed BTC at these key levels and you want to catch up with it, maybe because stars come down, maybe this top and it came down and you want to like ride it. So you can literally use this basic tool to get a new entry. So this is the tool. You mark out this first candle, this green at this place. I don't know if you can see it around this area. You just mark it out, and the second one here. So you mark it out. Okay. So you just remove it, and here is it. So this is how the tool works. So if BTC, so is just like this. So apparently if BTC is gonna like pump more, so you just wait for a retest candle here. Okay, so BTC is moving, BTC moved like this. This is it. Okay, let me analyze. Okay, BTC moved like this down. So when you use that tool, it shows you that when BTC move to this place, then you enter around this area. You enter around this area, or you enter around this area, then move up. So when BTC moves to this area, it tends to come down to this area, test this area, or move back, or maybe touch this area around here, then move back. And I can tell you for free that this tool has been a wonderful tool since I've got to know of it. Like really, really good tool, right? So what you have to do is just you have to be very, um, very, you have to pay attention to those areas. You have to pay attention to those areas and you know and learn. Okay, so when you get to this very area, then you use your 15 minutes time frame for entry. Use your 15 time frame for entry. So automatically, since I've been using this tool, it has been working marvelously. Like it has been a top notch for me. So my trades now is like very easier to like get your order blocks, your smart money concept, and all of that. So this tool has been very helpful to me. Trust me. So I'll be ending it here. I think I've even taken a lot of time to to talk one or two things here, and I appreciate your time. Uh, for being around. It's already late. This is past 11. So thank you for coming around. Thank you for learning. Yeah, because you can see, we all can see what the Mr. President is saying that um if every schools start teaching stock trading, okay, that means that there is you can't escape trading. So it's not like you can't escape trading, but the thing is there is more to trading. Okay, there's a lot of opportunities there. So and when you start learning now, there is there is probability of you staying disciplined while trading, especially you that are learning it now, not when everybody is now in it. So you have to learn, relearn, pay attention, and be consistent. You can start with demo